personally, I am coming from an engineering background. I did my software engineering from Manipal Institute of Technology, and ever since then, I really like messing with code and getting websites done. But I really found it cumbersome to develop a website from scratch, building the code base on some language. I stumbled across Zoho Commerce around 2 years back, and it really caught to my attention how intuitive Zoho Commerce is and how customizable it truly is, and integrable through its other ecosystem of Zoho apps and even outside Zoho. So I'm the team leader of Cleanomatics solutions, and we basically implement and customize Zoho products to the client's requirements. We also provide training and support and any kind of hand-holding for Zoho's products. What truly inspires me is digitally enabling customers to their requirements, because no matter what kind of product you have, every industry, every business is unique, and I am very passionate about putting myself in other customers' shoes, understanding their requirement from their point of view. Once I started getting inquiries and taking the requirements of prospects and clients, Zoho Commerce was there to back us at every step. My first ever client was Anukhi Swari. It was a sari business, and at any point of time, whatever customization was required, I had Zoho Commerce back me and help me in fulfilling the requirements. And one thing I would like to highlight to all other aspiring partners out there, I've never stumbled across a product like Zoho Commerce, and that is because of the easy customizability of this software. Not only that, like through Commerce, we got an opportunity to explore other Zoho products as a partnership as well. Take for instance one project we handled, like one of the most complicated projects till date, was a customer who came in as a commerce requirement, but he also wanted help in sales and marketing. Because once you create an asset, that is your website, you need to promote it, right? So that's when you could begin with Zoho Commerce, and it actually helped take off their business, and it also helped us understand the depth of how you can actually use Zoho in any kind of business possible. We also integrated commerce with Zoho Books so that we automatically get invoices for every purchase, and customers get their invoices directly on WhatsApp through a WhatsApp integration, and their payment reminders are also automated. First mistake we made was thinking that the potential of commerce is limited in some way. But then we realized that we could actually customize the code and take some API integrations to actually integrate with third-party apps as well. But now we are expanding that. We are also integrating commerce with Zoho Creator, making customized apps for in-house employees so that they can manage their staff, they can manage their daily operations more effectively, and like the opportunities are limitless.
When we attended the Zoho event in New Delhi, and it was an absolutely electrifying experience. It inspired us immensely, and we decided to become a partner of Zoho. Now, what we see here around in North India, we see a huge opportunity for digital enablement and technology enablement, and for Zoho and us in particular, right? And we believe we can make a significant difference to the entire ecosystem here. So we have about 15 lakh MSMEs and SMEs of India who have a huge fear of missing out on the digital revolution or digital enablement in India, and that is where we see the opportunity. We are also part of the BNI network, and we see opportunity in the entire approximately 50,000 BNI members in India and about 300,000 BNI members worldwide, where Zoho is a very natural fit, right? So when we enter the market, we see that obviously there's a group of people who are into WordPress, a group of people who are into Shopify, but Zoho Commerce is this very simple UI UX and very elegant features and obviously the pricing is amazing pricing and easy integration with all the other Zoho products can really make that digital enablement fast track. And Zoho is an evolving company, so every day it's evolving new products, and the opportunity is immense for us. So we feel very energized and very excited to take this opportunity forward. And we are on a mission to digitally enable the MSMEs, SMEs and the startup ecosystem in India.